All right, guys, we're going to work on drawing number 6 here. There's a couple of new commands I want to show you. So I'm going to go into the sketch mode. I'm going to begin this one on the top plane. I'm going to use a new command here called the straight slot. We're going to use the center point option. So picking here, coming out straight, making sure we stay horizontal. That gives us our center line. And here locates the outsides of the slot. Then we'll go into dimension, grab this, make this 2 according to the drawing. Grab this radius, make that 1 according to the drawing. And we're good. Exit dimension, exit the sketch, go to features, extrude this base. 0.25 over here on the side. Good. That's the bottom feature. Now there's a piece that gets extruded off the top of this thing, this plane right here. So we'll go back to sketch. And instead of working off of one of our planes, we'll identify the top of this. And it'll be easier in construction if we go to the top view right there. And I'm going to return to center point. I'll give it here, and here, and here. I'll smart dimension this. This is 2 inches again. I could have locked on to the centers of the lower piece, but I just put it at 2. And then this one right here is 0.75 here. Now we have some trimming to do here, so I'm going to go back, set my dimensions, go to line, build a line here, and across, select, go to line, make sure it's in line with the one above it, here, up, and across. So we take that. Now I'm going to do a little trimming. Trim here. We're going to trim off this, this, this. And we'll have to trim this slot. And you get this warning here. Okay. All right. And we'll continue to trim here and here and here. When you get that little warning, don't click the button that says, don't show me this again, because you lose control of what you're able to do right there. This is the basic shape right here. So we're going to take that. Now, we want to set the distance from this line to the center, which on the drawing says it's 1 inch from here to here. So we're just going to go from here to here. We're going to make that 0.5. Okay, and then we're going to set a relationship between 2 lines. If I make this line and this line equal in length, it's going to have to set this distance here. So here we have display and delete relationships. I'm going to add a relationship. This line and this line, I want them to be equal in length. There we go. So this is right. Centered off the distance here. All these are right. The only thing we didn't do was set the distance from this line to this center. So I'm going to smart dimension that from here to here. And make that 1.5. All right, so we're ready here. Accept this, exit this, go to features, go to extrude, turn this up a little bit here, okay. This is now an extrusion of 0.5. Got that done, all right. Then there's a hole you need to add here and a raise point place you need to add there. I think you can do those pretty much by yourselves.